So I really need an end table for my living room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2x6s and cut them down and make the top for the end table. I'm going to use other 2x6s to make the legs. So here we go. Alright, as you can see, I'm starting to lose my daylight here, so I'm going to call it a day today. I worked on a few projects, but this video in particular is on the table. So what I did was after I cut everything, let me show you real quick, I've actually started to glue up all of the boards for the top. So I actually only glued up these 4. Because I only have so many clamps and I don't have really long clamps. So there's the other 4 here. Once I glue those together, then I'm going to find a way to glue both parts together. Okay, so I'm still putting this end table together with the circle. This has been by far the most annoying and difficult projects that I've ever done because I just I keep changing my mind on how to do things, and every time I go to put something together, it's just wrong. So I was going to do the square, so the legs were shaped a certain way, and I figured, no, I'm going to do the circle. I cut the circle. The circle actually turned out really good so far. I'm going to do a router edge. Anyway, the feet didn't fit, and they were too big. So I had to cut things down, re-glue, and kind of start over. So we'll see. We'll see how this turns out. Alright, hopefully this has been glued up long enough. I'm going to go ahead and try and get it put on the top. One thing I did notice as I was double checking everything, somehow I cut the legs wrong. So I got, just another thing, right? So I got two legs that are one size and two legs that are another size. So it's I'm going to have to do something about that. I think I'm going to be able to just hit them with the sander because it's not that far off. So let's go ahead and take this apart and get it on the top. Wasn't even that much pressure. Alright guys, so here is the final project. Now this thing drove me insane. Alright, this was it was something I never tried before. I've never tried to make furniture. I don't know if you can see it. I never tried to make furniture before. I've never tried to make a table. So it's pretty amateur. But you know what? I really like it. I enjoy the fact that I got to make it. And the learning experience was fantastic. I can't wait to revisit this later because it's just, I'm going to be able to make a lot better one. That's why I haven't really put a finish on the top. I sanded it really good, so it's good enough for what I want to use it for. And again, in the future, I'm going to revisit it and make a new one. So if you guys have any questions, comments, if you got any tips, that would be fantastic. Just leave them below. And just keep checking back for more workshops.